Abs, what are we doing?
Snowboarding.
Tim, where are we going?
I don't know, man, I'm not driving.
Ready? Go!
We're going snowboarding at the end of March, start of April. So we're going for some practice because we're probably really bad at the moment.
Are you bad, Tim?
And dangerous, like a Michael Jackson album.
We are here. What? I'm very excited. Are you excited?
Yeah. Yes.
I'm super stoked.
Every invitation, I was alive. I was alive.
Cheers, banana cheers. Goes to my
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, I'm having fun.
Cool. Are you ready for Norway?
Almost.
Yeah. So just to let you know, we're on something called Snowdome practice for Norway in a couple of months' time, and we're with our very good friends Tim and Kate, who haven't snowboarded a lot, but they are picking it up really fast. So let's see in the end. Ciao! Should we do like a little video from the top?
Yeah.
Cool, see ya. You're a Maverick, Ab.
That was fun.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go then. I can't keep up with you. Do you feel like a hero?
I feel really good.
When our worlds collide, I stay by your side.
Woo, well done.
It's that little child that he got mowed down.
I stay by your side.